Cloud technologies, a buzzword that everyone hears every day around us. Whether you love it or not, it has become an important part of our daily lives. Fact is that it has completely changed the way we use internet, process data, computing power, storage, networking, artificial intelligence, well, you name it. Nothing is now out of the scope for cloud technologies. And if you want a future-proof career and raise your value as an IT professional, learning cloud technologies is the way to go. Hello and welcome back to the Tech Blackboard. Microsoft Azure is one of the biggest players in cloud technologies, and everyone who starts working on Microsoft Azure, AZ-900 is the stepping stone to enter the fascinating world of Microsoft Azure cloud technologies. So if you are someone who is preparing for Azure Fundamentals or AZ-900 exam in 2023, then please do watch this important video where we will take you through a series of questions and answers that will prepare you to earn your first Azure certificate, AZ-900. So let's start this new year with a certification in Microsoft Azure. As always, let's start with knowing some of the basics of AZ-900 exam. We will start with the question that everyone must know before trying this exam, and that is who should be doing AZ-900. Well, as per Microsoft, this exam is intended for the candidates who are just beginning to work with the cloud-based solutions and services or are new to Azure. So AZ-900 helps you prove your knowledge of cloud computing concepts, models and services such as public cloud, private cloud and hybrid cloud. In addition to this, you will also learn about infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Furthermore, this exam will help you show your expertise on how Azure supports security, privacy, compliance, and trust. Now let's move ahead and check out some of the common statistics on AZ-900, beginning with the exam name. Well, the official exam name from Microsoft is Exam AZ-900 Microsoft Azure Fundamentals. Now coming to the prerequisite, well, it is none. Basically, it means that you don't have to have any prior certification in order to be eligible for AZ-900. Moving ahead with the cost, well, it is $99 but please be aware the cost totally depends on which country you are trying to do this AZ-900. For example, in case you are from India, it will cost you 3696 Indian rupees. But you know what, friends? You can actually give this exam for free if you attend a 2 days online Microsoft training. Post that online training, you will receive an exam voucher using which you can give this exam for free. And I am pretty sure that you want to understand the entire process. Well, watch this video that will explain you the step-by-step process on how to avail this voucher for AZ-900. What's more, you can also get the free voucher not just for AZ-900 but for any other fundamental exam using the method explained in this video. And trust me friends, I have used this method myself and passed all the Microsoft fundamental exam for absolutely free. So go ahead and watch this video and save yourself hundreds of dollars. Now let's talk about the passing score. Well, you have to score at least 700 out of 1000. And then we have exam duration, a total of 65 minutes. Now you can see I have given a breakage of 45 plus 20. Well, out of these 65 minutes, 45 minutes is the actual exam duration and approx 20 minutes is the seat time for other activities. Let me explain further. According to Microsoft, exam duration refers to the amount of time that you have to complete the exam. Seat time refers to the amount of time that you should allocate for the exam. The seat time includes the time needed to review the instructions, read and accept NDA, complete the exam questions, and provides comments after completing it if you choose to do so. Friends, as per my experience, you should join the exam a little earlier, like 10 minutes before the actual exam starts. See, there could be a survey about the exam, and most importantly, when you are using Pearson VUE option, or in other words, you are giving an online exam, let's say from your home, then there will be also some time needed when the proctor will check your room or facility over the webcam to check if you are not using any unfair means or breaching the exam policy. So my suggestion is that you keep your room empty, your desk should be clean, no one should be present in the room, and of course no mobiles. Any breach of these policies will lead to the exam termination at any time. Now coming to the type of questions, So there will be multiple choice questions, or also known as MCQ, mark reviews, short answer, true or false, match the correct options, and drag and drop. We will cover all these types of questions in this series, and one thing I can assure that you will be well prepared to take AZ-900 post this series. So please do not miss to subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon. And friends, during the exam, you will get approximately 30 to 60 questions, and the languages available for this exam are English, Japanese, Chinese simplified, Korean, Spanish, German, French, Indonesian, Arabic, Chinese traditional, Italian, Portuguese, and Russian. Coming to the retirement date, well, there is no retirement date. This means once you have this certificate, well, you have it. It's not going to expire, or you don't have to renew it. Once there, always there. An important point to note that the English version of this exam was updated last on 28th October 2022. Moving on with the most important section, and that is skills measured. So now Microsoft has kept 3 major skills. Actually, previously there were more, but now they have fused many of them together, reducing them just to 3, which I think is a right step, as it has removed some of the ambiguity that was there in the previous syllabus content. Anyways, the first skill measured is describe cloud concepts, and this will actually constitute around 25 to 30% of the total exam questions. So concepts like infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, CAPEX versus OPEX, public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, these are the concepts based on which you will get the questions from this skill measured. And the next skill measured is described Azure architecture and services, and this constitute around 35 to 40%. And from this section, you should expect questions from basic Azure architecture. What are the services available, like compute services, storage services, monitoring services, etc. Then the third skill measured is describe Azure management and governance, and this is around 30 to 35% of the total exam questions. Under this section, you should expect questions from what are the management and monitoring tools available in Azure, and then questions based on different governance tool and how you will comply with government policies. All these 3 skills measured are mandatory, nothing is optional, so please be prepared to master each of them. And friends, I strongly recommend you to deep dive the cloud concepts that I just mentioned. After all, just getting certificate is not our ultimate goal. The ultimate focus is to be able to work on Azure Cloud. So if that's your focus, please do consider watching this video series, which will explain all Microsoft Azure concepts to the deepest level. The best part is that this series is fully synced with the latest Microsoft syllabus on AZ-900 that I just showed you, and each topic of Azure fundamentals is covered with loads of example, practical labs, exam tips, and a lot more. The link is shared in the I button on the top right corner and in the description box below. New parts to this series are added very frequently. Friends, all the information that I shared in this video has been sourced from this Microsoft official website. My recommendation for you is to go through this link, read and understand the details, and if anything is not clear or you have any further questions on Azure fundamentals or AZ-900, do reach me in the YouTube comment section below or any other social media platform. I really hope that this introduction session has been helpful to gain some insights to help you better prepare for AZ-900. In the very next session, we will start with some of the most common questions on AZ-900. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon. And please do not forget to like and share these videos to the maximum you can and help your loved ones in learning cloud technologies this new year. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay fit, keep learning. Thanks for watching and a very happy new year.
If this video has added any value in your learning, a like and subscribe is highly appreciated. Share this video in your family and friends to spread and expand their learning. Your comments and feedback give me a chance to interact with you, and I look forward for them. We will meet again in our next video. Till then, stay fit, keep learning, and thanks for watching.